Iba pala yung feeling pag ikaw na pala yung ikakasal. Sa lahat na nangyari, masasabi ko lang, worth it. Worth it maghintay.
Which is talagang ito yung pangarap namin dalawa as mag-boyfriend, girlfriend. Yung talagang finally, ito na kami, ikakasal na kami.
Hi, Ching Ching. Finally, our time has come. Ready ka na ba? Ano man?
Sa letter B! Abby? Ano daw? Nanda.
Gusto kong mati. Sana gusto ko.
Today marks the start of our new journey as husband and wife. Finally, it's our turn. 6 years. 6 years in the making, and it has been 6 wonderful years. From being to-ka-work to good friends, we unexpectedly become closer to each other.
Control. In circles around we go. We become who we ought to know. We just gotta let it go.
Ay, naku.
We just gotta let it go.
Nag-meet kami ni Paul first time sa work, sa New World Makati. Then, saktong kakalipat ka lang din ng lounge nung nag-start siya sa lounge mismo.
Ngayon, nagsimula kami as talagang close friend. Talagang hindi ko rin siya talaga in-expect na yung magiging kami.
Took the morning ride, gotta leave this all behind. For with you is where I want to be. Maybe it's fate that we can't control. Oh, round and around it goes.
Yung una, sinasabay ko lang siya nun sa pagka magkasama kami sa shift.
Yung paghahatid na yun is nagiging araw-araw na hanggang sa dumating yung time, pinas niya ako if pwede kami lumabas.
Hanggang sa unti-unti, nahulog na rin yung loob namin sa iba.
To you. All I need, the very air I breathe, you are. Oh, oh, oh.
Naabayan ko na ata lahat ng kasal ng kaibigan ko at nakompleto ko na yata yung colors ng rainbow. At ang sukin yung bridesmaid, bride na.
So many questions I've thrown to the skies, and all of the answers are found in your eyes. When I'm with you, home is never too far, and my weary heart has come to rest in yours.
We'll finally be Mr. and Mrs. Renyon. Always remember that I love you. Let's enjoy our day. I'm so excited to see you. See you, asawa ko. Oh, di ba?
Thank you so much to my wife, Winlin. Wife. Finally, we're getting married and I hope magustuhan mo itong gift ko sa'yo. I love you, mahal, from your husband, Paul. Thank you so much. Happy ako.
You're all I need, the very
solid.
Ayos.
Congratulations
Pwede,
in
pwede.
advance.
Oo.
Ilang oras na lang.
All the wandering's gone when it's where you belong. 'Cause nothing good gets away. The sun won't push the moon to its place. The shoreline won't hurry the wind.
I know that Tita is watching over us. May this gift makes you feel that Tita Nanette is waving with you today. I'm sure he is proud of you. I love you. Minahal niya si Mama gaya ng pagmamahal ko. So yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko kay Winley. Talagang pinangako ko sa kanya na ngayon na kahit wala na yung mother ko, alam kong masaya na rin si Mama na finally ito na rin kami makapag-settle down. Kasi hindi yung pangarap din ng mother ko para sa akin.
JB, hindi ka namin pababayaan. Ingat lagi. Ha?
Oo.
Okay.
Simula't simula nandun na ako para sa'yo. Hanggang sa panibagong buhay na harapin mo. Alalahanin mo na doon pa rin ako sa'yo.
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat po sa kanila na at least nandito sila lagi para sa akin. Na kahit wala na rin si Mama, parang sila na rin yung tumayo kong mga magulang. Kaya sobrang mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Kaya salamat po ng marami.
I will love you through it all. The rise, each and every fall. Let the storms come as they may, but our love will break through the day.
Tiwala naman ako sa iyo, tapos maging asawa mo. Sana ano nyo sa family nyo na ikita nyo sa Lord.
Love you pa. Mag-iiyakan lang kami dito.
Alam kong pinag-pray mo, si Paul, ayan, dumating na sa'yo. Alam kong maging masaya ka sa kanya.
Congrats, and finally after long preparations natin, matatapos na. Tapos, ayun, makakadalaw na kay tatay, pati makakapag, na.
Mag-relax na.
May pamangkin na. Tara!
The thread of our fate always glows.
Ang una, gusto kong magpasalamat sa iyo dahil lagi kang andyan sa tabi ko sa kasiyahan man at kalungkutan ng aking buhay. Lalo na nung nawala si Mama, kailanman hindi mo ako pinabayaan. Ikaw ang nagsilbing ilaw ko sa aking buhay na sa mga panahong di ko alam paano ako magsimula at bumangon.
Because nothing good gets away. And when all of our years start to fade, and we're looking back on all of our days, let the lines on our face tell the memories we made, 'cause nothing good gets away.
Having you in my life is truly a blessing na alam kong ikaw ang pinagkaloob sa akin ng Panginoon. Kaya sa pagpasok natin sa panibagong yugto ng ating buhay bilang mag-asawa, I promise to love you with all my heart at aalagaan ka habang buhay.
For the past years, hindi kita narinig na nagreklamo sa araw-araw mong paghatid sundo sa akin. Pauwi kahit na madaling araw na. Thank you for waiting. Thank you for waiting for me and for waiting with me.
Each and every fall. Let the storms come
Alam kong marami pa tayong pagdadaan ng pagsubok, pero one thing is for sure, na hindi kita pababayaan. Sa mga panahong napanghihinaan ka ng loob, ako ang magsisilbi mong lakas at kaakibat mo sa buhay.
In you, I found peace. In you, I found joy. And in you, I found home. My home. May God's best.
There's a fire deep in us all.
Gaya ng paalala ng salita ng Panginoon, Paul, mahalin mo ang iyong asawa. Winlin, magpasakop ka sa iyong asawa.
No running and hiding. Still feel the sand in between our toes.
Palagi nating piliin ang isa't isa sa hirap man o ginhawa. And finally, here we are. Natupad ko na din ang hiling ko na dumating ang araw na ito na ikakasal tayo. At alam kong masaya na din si Mama para sa ating dalawa. Kahit na wala na siya physically, pero I'm sure she's so proud for the both of us.
I know Tita Nanet knows how much I love you. Kasi noon pa lang, palagi ako nagpapasalamat sa kanya.
Again, mahal, I love you so much. My wife, my home, my blessing from above. Mahal na mahal kita.
I vow to love you just how the Lord loved us. May God will always be the center of this marriage. I'll treasure this love He gave us. My God's best, my home, my answered prayer. Mahal na mahal kita, asawa ko.
Mga kapatid, pinapakilala ko po sa inyo si Winlin at si Paul, ang bagong kasal. I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Paul Renon.